All right, well, Todd with Out West Adventures found a mine, very weird mine. So, overhead crane, I think that's a trommel, my guess. Artwork, you get that too, get some artwork. It's kind of cool, this mine's kind of interesting in a lot of ways actually. So, the ladder. So, some people over here, the reason why everyone says don't tell anybody where mines are, because you see the side of that? Somebody cut that out. Crazy. For whatever reason. I don't know what that was all about, but I think this is a trommel here. It's kind of cool. Still all here. And you walk this way, go up, and I'm assuming this is the wash plant, which is still mostly here. It's kind of cool. Need a few belts. Kind of interesting. It's like massive. Another tank. Pulleys. See the trommel again from over here. It's kind of cool. I mean, it's a major setup here. Now I gotta find out more history and get some ideas of when this started. Nobody knows that I've talked to, so we gotta do a little history checking on this. But man, it's massive, and it's awesome that a lot of this equipment's still here. It's like so cool. Some more ladder going up to another tank. Lights, roof, heater. Another tank that fell down. It's like super cool. I don't know what all these pieces of pipe are for. I don't know why. And you can go outside. I'll go up this side. Another big like mixing tank or whatever. You know, these look like cyanide tanks, so I'm not positive of when they quit using cyanide, when they started using cyanide. You can go up some more. Some more huge tanks. So we're here going on the Mojave Trail. Had a radiator go out, so then we found this mine. It's kind of cool. God, there's all these tanks and hydraulic motors, and just crazy how somebody abandoned it. And then whoever did all this artwork, it's just crazy how they took and cut out the side of these tanks. So crazy. Man. just hate that people ruin it, and next thing you know, nobody can come, can't figure it out. I mean, man, it's like super badass to me. So some people might think differently. Here's the back half. All this stuff just gets abandoned. And how other people can just decide to come here or destroy it. It's so cool to check out all this stuff. And at one time, I guess this was a job for someone. So they're like, probably didn't think it was so cool, but later on, checking it out, you go, man, this is pretty cool. All right, we're back in. There's another heater, another tank. I have no idea what this thing is. And this floor is all steel. Man, there's like these big old presses. Man, I don't know what these presses are for. Just nutty. Super cool. Right when you always think, oh man, I think I found the best mine or the best thing yet. And I'm like, nope, this is super cool. Yeah, these presses, I don't know what the heck are those are for. What are you pressing? Something caught on fire here. Somebody burned up some stuff here. So somebody started a fire in here. So I hear everybody else, they're over on the other end, I think. The trombone's badass, so that is so cool. How that's all still here. This place is so cool. Yeah, I can hear Liz in the background. Filming, and you were in the film. That was Liz. Oh yeah, do my best. I was outside on the other side. I'm going this way. You can come. So looks like there was a conveyor belt. Kind of cool. There's a chute. It's like a big old piece of pipe. Another chute. So they were just dumping down all kinds of ore or whatever they were getting out of here. I don't want to. I'm gonna say that's the end. I don't really feel like crawling on the ground. That's kind of cool. All right, so all this machinery, so cool out here. Even though there was some vandals and some people screwing stuff up, but I said steel vandalized everything. Been to a lot of places. I've never seen this much stuff. Equipment still left behind. Super cool. I guess this is what happens when your Jeep breaks down and you gotta find a place to fix it. Ta-da! Found it. All right. out with adventures.